Hey everyone, Kyle here. Today we'll cover the best state to form an LLC for your online business, including the key factors to consider and how to make the best choice for your business needs. If you'd rather have someone else handle the complex process for you, skip ahead to the end of this video. I'll be sharing a special offer where you can form your LLC for just $39, saving you both time and money. Now let's jump right into step 1. So now, step 1, start with your home state. For most online business owners, forming an LLC in your home state is usually the simplest and most cost-effective option. Even though your business operates online, your home state is where you're physically located, pay taxes, and where most of your business activities occur. By forming your LLC in your home state, you avoid additional fees and paperwork associated with registering as a foreign LLC in your own state, which is required if you form your LLC elsewhere. And now, step 2, consider alternative states for specific benefits. While forming your LLC in your home state is typically the best choice, some states offer unique benefits that make them worth considering, especially if your business operates across multiple states or if you reside outside the US. Let's take a look at 3 popular options. Number 1 would be Delaware. Known for its business-friendly laws and low filing fees, it's a preferred choice for businesses seeking venture capital or planning to go public. If you are not based in Delaware, you will need to file as a foreign LLC in your home state, which adds to the cost and complexity. Number 2 would be Wyoming. Offers a strong privacy protection and low annual fees. Unlike many states, Wyoming doesn't require the disclosure of LLC owners, making it a good option if privacy is a priority. But like Delaware, you'll need to file as a foreign LLC in your own state if you are operating outside of Wyoming. And then number 3 would be Nevada. No state income tax and strong legal protections for LLC. It's ideal for those looking for a low-tax state with minimal reporting requirements. However, keep in mind that Nevada's fees can be higher than other states. So if you are unsure which state is the best for your LLC or just want to avoid all the hassle, check out Northwest Registered Agent. They offer a comprehensive LLC formation service for just $39, covering everything you need to get started. Click the link in the description to take advantage of this great deal. And now, step number 3. Which is to avoid common pitfalls. Forming your LLC in a state other than your home state just to save on taxes or fees can often backfire. You'll need to register as a foreign LLC in your home state anyway, which means double fees and more paperwork. So unless you have a compelling reason, sticking with your home state is usually the best. Step number 4, special cases for choosing an LLC state. There are a few scenarios where choosing a state other than your home state might make sense. Like for example, number 1 would be if you are a non-US resident. If you are based outside of the US but want to do business here, Nevada or Wyoming are solid choices due to their business-friendly environments and straightforward filing processes. Number 2 would be multi-state businesses. If you have partners or operations across multiple states, consider choosing a state that has the lowest fees and simplest regulations. Number 3 would be seeking investors. If you plan to attract venture capital or private equity, then forming a corporation in Delaware may be more attractive to investors as it offers a standardized legal framework they're familiar with. Navigating these options can be quite tricky. That is why I recommend using a professional service like Northwest Registered Agent. They can help you choose the right state and handle the entire LLC formation process for just $39. Click the link in the description to get started now. And that's it for today's guide on choosing the best state for your online business LLC. Remember, the best state for your LLC depends on your specific situation, but for most, your home state is the simplest and most cost-effective choice. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more business tips and tutorials. And if you have any other questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the special offer in the description to form your LLC with Northwest Registered Agent for just $39. Until next time, take care.